We're gonna grate tomatoes. So you can use the ugly ones, you know, like you can use the ones that you don't necessarily know what to do with, and you just grate them, just like you were gonna grate a block of cheese. So we're gonna grate this tomato, we're gonna salt it a little bit, and then we're gonna leave it aside. We're gonna let the most of the water come out of all the tomato. Need a little bit of salt in this. I did a few tomatoes, maybe a teaspoon of salt in there, but we're gonna toss it in the strainer and just let it hang out. With our drained tomato, now we got tomato pulp, right? So we're gonna season that with a little salt and pepper, a lot of olive oil, nice big slices of sourdough bread, some nice shimmering olive oil. Get a nice little toast on this. Fire in, fire out, right? Start with good things. Obviously, you're at the farmer's market, so like you can get all the best things that you can possibly want. And, you know, start there. And then, you know, it's real easy. And like I said, all this stuff that I'm doing today is real simple, very accessible. The only special ingredient that wasn't at market was olive oil. Do less, but do it better. So when that bread comes off, I just cut a garlic clove in half, or garlic head of garlic in half. We're gonna rub it on the bread, and then we'll top it with this stuff.